Hi, I'm Laurel at Swift Roost Homestead. Let's make strawberry shrub. Start with a pint of strawberries. Add a cup of sugar. Granulated white is fine. Gotta be bonkin'. Add a cup of apple cider vinegar. Stir it together really well. Start smashing the berries and dissolving the sugar. Turn on the heat to high. Let it sit for a while and stir every so often. It'll start to bubble. Keep stirring. When it's all the way at a boil, give it another good stir. Turn off the heat. Cover it. Pull it off the heat, and you're going to let it sit. When it's pretty much cooled down, take off the lid. You can see how the berries have changed shape. And you're going to strain out the big strawberry chunks. So I've got my little strainer here. I'm just going to pour this through and oh. Okay, the strainer is way too small. I gotta try again. Okay, it's all back in the pot. Okay, this is what you want. Big strainer over a big container. And just bloop, pour it right in. Give it a little smishy smashy with the spoon. There's the part I tried to strain before. There you go. Smashy smashy with the spoon. And when it's all strained, it's this beautiful red. You're just going to pour it into a bottle. Take a little break. There we go, all poured and decanted, and it's ready to go. To drink, add about 1 tablespoon of syrup per cup of ice water. You can use sparkling or still, and you can adjust the amount up and down to make it more or less strongly flavored. Thanks for watching.